Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. 5 important and simple reasons why men leave their families. You might think that your relationship is ideal. It seems that everything is fine, you are an intelligent and beautiful wife, you both like to make love, your house is clean, and the family has money. However, one terrible day he leaves you. How so? Why does a man give up an ideal life? Psychologists say that there are 5 main reasons why men decide to leave their wives. Let's find out which ones. Our interviewees told us about this when they were asked about their decision to leave their families. 1. I did, but I did not want to. You cannot love him spiritually. Every person wants to feel welcome. Do not you want to feel it? There is nothing wrong with romance and spirituality, but a man prefers to live with a woman who really wants him in bed. 2. I did not feel like her personal hero. Currently, women can earn as much and much more than men, and it's really great. However, when it comes to relationships, men still want to feel like heroes from films. It must be something that only he can provide. If it's not money, try to think about something else. 3. We always quarreled, and she was always depressed. This begins a few years after the first date, when men begin to face constant reproaches, fatigue and dissatisfaction with their wives. This negative often causes the husband to leave, to feel good again. If you do not want to lose your loved one, try to put less pressure on him. 4. It turned out that we had different goals. You should have common goals and thoughts with your husband for a long relationship. According to psychologists, the partners who created happy families have similar views on such topics as career, budget, children, and where to live and relax. 5. I was bored. Many women are focused on the family and forget about their self-development and career after marriage. And in a few years it turns out that her husband went far ahead, and his wife stayed at the same place. The abyss between the pair will become larger and can definitely lead to a rupture. If you hope that all these issues can be solved by themselves, do not be fooled. Any relationship is hard work. If you let the relationship go by itself, problems can lead to a break with your lover. The best way to deal with everything is to have an honest conversation. Talk and listen to each other. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.